Welcome to Heyletsplay!
Come on, guys, I'm already here.
Coming. Huh? Gilby? Sorry. Oh, look at that baldy. It looks like a robin. Yeah, with
so
red
cute.
and yellow wings.
Yeah.
Whoa. By the way, Tallulah, I love your face.
Oh yeah, the other day, me and your twin sister JoJo, we had a face painting party.
Oh, I love face painting parties. You sort of invited me. Where was Rodie?
Oh yeah, Rodie was there too.
Oh, that's awesome. Wow, it's a golden egg. Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, it's wobbling. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, it opened. It's a note. Let me read it. Okay.
Whoa. Whoa, it says a note for you. Gilby, you can read it.
Okay, that's cool. Let me open it. Oh, it's a lot of wolves. It says, "Hi, I've hidden some eggs along the way for you to spot some prizes today. Look and see. Find little old me."
Go quick, rescue my friends. And when you spot me as quick as you can, you will find the surprise. Come on, let's go.
Yay,
guys.
let's go. Okay, let's go.
Thank you, little birdie. You're so cute. Let's go look for the eggs.
Yeah.
Come on.
Whoa, I found something. Yeah.
Whoa.
Huh.
So
Let me
cool.
open this.
Oh, okay.
Wow, it's a coin. You better keep it. Okay. Oh, and some snickles.
And I'll take this grass off and see what's under it.
Oh, it's cool. Snickles. Let's snickles. Wow, what is that?
It's a Littlest Pet Shop pack.
Let's go find more. Okay, come on.
And when we get done finding all of them, we'll open them up.
It's a puppy and lots of bubbles. Yeah.
Should we open them now?
No, not right now.
Okay.
Yeah, not right now.
Come on.
I found another one.
Here's one.
Yeah. Hurry,
Whoa.
open it. Is it a coin?
Yes, it's
Yeah.
a coin. Whoa.
Yay.
It's shiny and gold. Wow.
Wow, you found another
It's a
one.
Littlest Pet Shop. Let's go find some more. Hurry, hurry.
Okay.
The bird.
Oh, I got another coin and some Twix candies.
Whoa.
Let's dig like a puppy. Dig, 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 dig. I found another. We're finding like 1,000,000 of these things.
And look, I found this weird leaf.
Yeah, that's
Whoa.
cool. Ooh, I found a little coconut and almond one. Candy.
Whoa.
Ooh, let's see what's in here. I found a gold coin. I found a gold coin.
I think all the gold coins mean something.
Yeah. There must be something here. Dig, 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 dig. Ooh, another pet shop. It has a
Whoa.
puppy and it also has a little critter, like an insect. Oh, yeah.
Oh, so cool.
Let's go find more.
Okay.
I'll hold it. Okay. Oh, it's a swing. Whee! Whee!
I lost my shoe, but I'll find it later.
Yeah. Oh, wow, those Twix candies and an egg, so there must be a prize. Oh, let's see.
I'm gonna open the egg.
Oh, I'll get the
Whoa.
Twix. You got a coin.
Got another shiny gold coin.
I'm still trying to figure out what that means.
Yeah, that's weird.
Where'd you get? Where'd you get? Ooh, another little pet shop.
A little
Yeah,
pet
another
shop.
one.
I got another one. I got another one. Woohoo!
Yay.
Yay! There goes
Ooh.
another shoe.
Yeah, there's one. Yeah.
Whoa.
Another coin.
Whoa.
Cool. Yay. I smell something.
Oh.
I smell a prize. Is there one here? Is there one in here? Oh, here's one. Got it. Yay. And there's one. We found another one. There's one. There's one. We found another one. Woo!
Crack. A coin. I can't wait to see what they're for because they're strange.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yay! Oh, you got my favorite. Can I have some of that?
Sure.
Yay!
It's a Butterfinger.
Wait! I see something purple. Let me get it. It's another surprise!
Whoa, that one's different.
Yeah,
Cool.
that's cool. Yeah, it's a different one. Let's go. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I found one. Maybe a squirrel hid this one because it is in a dark place. Yeah, maybe so.
Yeah.
I got a Reese's and another coin.
Whoa.
Ooh. Cool. Digga. Oh, I got another little pet shop. Yay! Yay! I love little pet shops.
They're so awesome.
Yeah, me go look for more. Yay! Oh, cool! Some wet Snicker bar. Well, it's probably brown, but anyways. And another coin. I think it's the last coin, and I can't wait to see what it's for.
It was in my lap because I was looking at it.
Digga, 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 digga. Last surprise. Cool. Well, since we're all done, let's go find Miss Birdie.
Okay.
Miss Birdie.
Miss Birdie.
Let's
Miss
go.
Birdie.
Miss Birdie. Miss Birdie, you're not here.
Mrs. Birdie.
Yeah.
Miss
Aw.
Birdie, you're not here.
I think
I
I think we should take the coins with us.
Yeah,
Okay.
I got them.
Yeah, come on.
Birdie,
where are you?
Birdie.
Mrs. Birdie.
Miss Birdie.
Oh, I don't see our friend Mrs. Birdie, but I do see Bruno, our friend Bruno. Hi, Bruno. Hello, Bruno.
Hello.
He is my best friend, my best friend forever.
Oh, you're so cute, Bruno. Guys, I have the best idea ever. We can put the coins that we found right here, cause I remember the note said, hurry and find the coins and then bring them back to me, and I'll bring you a special prize.
Okay, I have them with me. I'll go get them.
Okay.
I have them.
Okay, go get them. Come on.
Okay, I will. I got the coins.
Okay.
And put them right here. Okay, I put them there. I can't wait. Okay, let's close our eyes and count to 3 to see if the body comes back so we can get a prize.
Yay,
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Huh? The ball is there!
Yay!
It's there. Uh-huh. Hello, Mrs. Birdie.
Hi.
Hi, Mrs. Birdie. Did you hide all those surprises in those big mounds?
Yes. And hooray, you found all the coins. And now I'm going to take the coins and you can have this surprise.
Yay! You all thinks I love spaghetti slime.
Bye for now. I'm going to go back to my nest. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Oh, look what we got, Bruno. It's spaghetti slime.
Oh, and die. It's funny when you say OMG.
Wow, look at everything we have. Yeah, it's so awesome. It's slime and little pet socks. And I'm gonna open this one.
I was gonna say candy. I love candy. I have a candy on my foot. That's so.
Let's see what I got. Who'd you get? Let me see. Oh, I got a little cute puppy. It's gray and she has a pink collar. And she has a little bed that she sits in. It's so cute. It's a taco. A little hat that goes on her. He's so cute. They'll see it. There he is. Woof!